Secret Lost City lift.
Ooh.
Nearly got it. Squished by the lift. Which number? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Let's find Bob.
Chris, which floor would he be
Which
in?
floor is Bob on?
Second
He's
floor.
on 2.
Push, push, push.
Come on, you can do it. Go, go. Bob's on 2.
Let's find Bob.
Let's find Bob the Builder.
Is he on level 2? Let's find.
Let's knock at the left.
Knock, 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 knock. Whoa.
Bob, are you in there?
Is Bob here? Woo. 3, 2, 1.
Scoot, Muckin, Dizzy, are you here?
Where are they?
Oh,
no.
I've got locked out of the lift.
Oh no, where's Bingo?
Help! I'm here! Oh my goodness. That was scary. Press really hard. Do you want help? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna find Bob. Oh, this is not what we wanted. So I think we've broken the lift.
It's not working. Alright, going down or up? Maybe
Which
up.
will it be? No, we've definitely broken the lift.
Maybe you can only go to 0 and 1 on this one.
More.
Number 7 on that? What does that mean? So,
Lift.
Max, I think
Let's find more lift.
we will as soon as we work out how to fix this one, because we're a little bit stuck at the moment.
Stuck in the
Like
lift.
this keeps opening at floor number 2. So this is us stuck in a lift. Oh, I didn't know. Oh no, don't press that one. That's an alarm.
We are stuck, to be fair. You asking for help?
Number
Help.
7.
We need Bob the Builder. We need Bob the Builder to come
We
and
need
help.
him to come fix it. Should I run down and ask for help?
Toodles. Oh, Toodles.
Pilchard or bird?
Right, let's open the door and go and see if there's another way out.
Okay. Let's go stuck on that.
What's through here?
We're going on a wee adventure today, I think.
We need a fob.
Right. Okay. It's saying there that's number 1. But whenever we tried to make it work, it didn't.
Let's see. We have to ask. I think we need to call Toodles for help. What do you think?
Oh, toodles.
Okay, so we've got the options are a bowl of ice
Let's
cream,
find more lift. Stairs.
a lift engineer, or Bob the Builder.
I think Bob the Builder's the best option.
Outside. Let's find more lift outside.
Yeah, we'll go outside and find more left as soon as we work out how to get down all these stairs. Without a lift. Ooh. Okay, I don't think that's a good idea.
No, unless I take the chair. you
And I
take
take Max. Look at us problem solving.
That's a lot of it. No, never mind. That's a lot of stuff.
I was gonna say it is. It's like, we're only on the 2nd floor, but it's like 3 flights.
Aye. Up. Go.
Yeah, dude, we're gonna go now.
Let's try. Let's try.
We're gonna try to get to the ground floor here, dude. And if this doesn't work, we're gonna have to use the stairs. Because Oh,
Hey!
we fixed it. Are you Bob the Builder? Is that the secret you've been hiding?
I won't go outside.
You wanna
Yeah,
go outside?
we're
Okay, let's
going.
go. Let's go outside.
More.
See what there is. Open sesame.
Lift. I won't go outside. More lift.
Yes.
Okay, this is the right one.
Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Bye bye, lift.
I'm in the cursed lift.
Alright, I'll open the doors. 1, 2, 3.
Go outside.
Let's go.
That's a fire exit, dude.